How's it going, guys? Figured I'd do a quick little video, show you this car I just picked up. It's a 1969 Chevy Nova. So let's go ahead, take a walk around, just kind of show you guys what I got going on with it. Alright, so quick little walk around here of the car. Like I said, it is a 69, two-door. It is pretty rough, but it's not too bad. I actually really like the patina on this car. Walk around. So this car was I picked up local to me, about 30 minutes away, and I'm actually not going to be doing anything to this car. So I picked this car up cheap, and it was just such a good deal I figured I wasn't going to pass it up. I'll just pass it on to the next guy, basically. But I picked it up, and then I immediately got sick, so I haven't been able to sell it or really do anything. So if I sound a little raspy, that's probably going to be why. But hopefully this thing's going to be leaving this weekend. I don't know what the next owner plans on doing with it, but if it were mine, I would just throw an LS in it. It needs some body work. I'll show you guys real quick. And yeah, that's really it. I would just do a little bit of the metal work that it absolutely needs where it's rotted. And I'd maybe throw some clear coat on it, and I think this would be a badass little sleeper. So that is the car. Let me show you under the engine, or in the engine bay real quick. Nice little dusting of rust coming down from the hood. But as you can see, just a little inline 6 here. I'm not too big on these engines. I don't really know what size this is, if it's like 235 or whatever, but this is the factory gas tank right here, obviously, under the fuel pump. And this car does actually run, fires right up, and I've driven around the yard, but the brakes are pretty crap, so it's really as much as I've done. But yeah, I bought this car running and, you know, yard driving. I had to put a little bit of transmission fluid in it, and I threw some power steering fluid in it. It's a pretty bare bones car, other than, you know, it does have power steering, like I said, but manual brakes, drums, front and back, and then just a base mod, like I said, inline 6. It's definitely got some nice rust issues going on here. You can see the battery tray is completely gone. The subframe does look solid. The cowl is going to need some attention. You can see up there, need a hole. So that's you know, not in the best shape, but that could definitely be fixed up. And then, like I said, the hood, you can kind of see on here a little bit of rust going on. It's a little crispy, but you know, not too bad. Nice thing is, it is a complete car. You can see here a little bit of rot down on the fenders, down in the rockers as well, and then the quarters are, you know, this one's actually been worked on. Someone put some filler in here, but inside, complete car. That's the tire that was on it. I took it off and just threw another one on it because that's what I had. But very, I guess 70s or 80s. I don't know what this look really was, but we got the fuzzy dice, some kind of cool looking aftermarket radio, and then some sick carpet for the deck lid over here. See it through here with these aftermarket speakers. Now, the real fun part about this car is that the old owner thought it would be a good idea to also throw that fun carpet in the trunk. You see right there, those are a set of frame rails to give you kind of an idea where I'm going with this. So, there is just about nothing left of this here trunk. You can see this is pretty dang rotted out, and that is because he had carpet right there. Perfect. You can see this here frame rail is not the best shape, but from here forward it seems like it's fine, and I still think this is structurally okay back over this way. I would probably just section that, but you know, everyone's gonna have their own opinion depending on what you're doing with the car. Gas tank clearly just rotted right out of it. I don't feel like calling the car right now, but this frame rail is actually surprisingly solid over here. But really needs a trunk pan, and then you can see all this fun stuff here. Wow. Nice and rotted. So a little bit of free weight weight reduction going on there. But other than that, it's kind of a cool car. I did have this trim piece, but it, you know, got lost on the way home, which really sucks. This is surprisingly not rotted through here, but on the other side it is rotted. But cool car nonetheless. I'd probably strip off this blue paint, get this color back, and rock it like that. I mean, like I said, it's a complete car, which is cool. Good starter for someone to just throw an LS in it, or even a small block. See a little bit of cancer right there. Really fun. But I have crawled underneath the car, and aside from the trunk, it's really not too bad. There's a little hole on the driver and passenger side of the floor pans, the front, you know, up by the toe board on both sides. But other than that, the floor pans are really solid. The roof seems solid, and like I said, it's just a complete car. I'm also, like I said, not really going to be doing anything to this. Someone's supposed to come pick it up this weekend. The one little asterisk to me not doing anything is if people really want to complain about the trunk pan, you know, and the frame rails where they are, then I will do them. I would knock it out in a day or two. But I really don't feel like doing it if I don't have to. But like, I just bought this car basically to make a few bucks off it. It'll actually help, what do you call it? It'll help pay for the Chevelle, and then also just blew the transmission and transfer case in my 2015 Duramax. Let me see if I can show you real quick. Now that is my nice expensive lawn ornament sitting out there, collecting dust and dirt and debris. So that's gonna need a transmission, transfer case, a couple other little things probably, and then just funding the Chevelle. So this is just something to make for a few bucks. If you guys want, you could take a guess below what I paid for it. It wasn't crazy cheap, but it was pretty cheap for a two-door, you know, 68 72 Nova. I really can't complain. I thought I got a good deal on it, and like I said, probably gonna make a few bucks off of it. And I don't know, it's a cool car. There's a lot of pretty cool what do you call it, cassettes in here from, I think they were like from '84 or something, but they were all pre-recorded from somebody. Pretty cool to go through that kind of stuff, and you know, just it's a pretty cool car, you know, fully functional, you know, other than no brakes and the funky trunk. But that's gonna be it for this video. Next one, I'm not really sure what it's gonna be, whether it be the Chevelle or maybe a test drive in the 50 Chevy. I'm not sure. I haven't really got a video of that out and about yet, because it's been one thing after another, getting sick, breaking this, breaking that. But that's just about ready to get back on the road too, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Drop a comment down below, comment, like I said, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next one.